அக்கா ஒரே செகண்ட் இருங்கக்கா, அப்படியே இருங்கக்கா. அவர் இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க. அண்ணா ஒரே செகண்ட்ண்ணா. இதெல்லாம் ஒரே செகண்ட் இருங்கக்கா. மேக்ஸிமம் பாருங்கள் பொண்ணு தான் வரும், பசங்களே வர மாட்டாங்க. அவர் எடுக்க சொன்னால் எடுத்துக்கிற விடுங்க, வேணா ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். Close it. Thank you. நாளை கரெக்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு நூல் கீழே இருக்கு.
இல்லை ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஆனால் சார்
கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடிண்ணா.
தேங்க்ஸ் சார். சந்தரிங்க இல்லை உங்கள் பக்கம் இல்லை.
ஓகே
சார் உங்கள் சைடே கொடுங்க சார். இந்த சைடு சந்தரிங்க வந்துடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.
கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடிண்ணா.
பெரியார் சுயமரியாதைக்காரங்க, அதனால தான் நான் ஷூ கட்டாமல் இருக்கேன். ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
ஓகேவா சொல்லிடுமா?
ஒரே செகண்ட் ஒரே செகண்ட்.
நான் அந்த அந்த
ஓகே அட்மிட்டட் நாள் இல்லை, 4 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வரலையும் நடக்குது. நீங்கள் எஸ்எஸ்ஆர் போகிற மாதிரி டேஷு 3 போட்டுருக்கீங்க. இந்த பக்கம் ஆல்ரெடி அப்லோடு 4 ஸ்டூடெண்ட் வேலைக்கு நான் வாட்ஸ்அப்லேருந்து அனுப்புங்க, நான் இதுங்க ஓகே.
So many flowers. Women's Study Center, Healthcare Center, Daycare Center. Professor Lalita Madam, I'll carry it. Go with it. One.
Actually, Women's Study Center is maintaining the daycare center as well as the women common restroom.
ஒரே செகண்ட்.
After 3:30. Yes. And there is one command person, she was watching the. Yeah.
Fasting blood sugar, yes, postpartum blood sugar, hemoglobin. Yes. We have they were able to physically test it and they did
தெரியுதுண்ணா பெட்டு
freely given to the students.
Actually, this is fully under the UGC.
You are a director of
Yes, sir. I am the coordinator of this women's study center. And there is one another deputy coordinator also. We have concentration mainly legal awareness, health awareness programs for the students, as well as for the activities. Not only for the university staff and students, we are also extending our extension activities for the nearby villages. For the school students, we are giving.
yes, that is more important.
Yeah, for students.
Have you adopted any village?
Not adopted any village, sir, but we are now initiated the Mahatma Gandhi Rural Empowerment Scheme for the particular, for entire same we are giving awareness program to the women who are under that scheme. Actually, health awareness as well as hygiene.
And awareness among laborers?
Yes, that's what like this. 14 almost 14 panchayats in Salem district we are covering. It is almost 1.5 months program.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, as a gender conservation products, legal things, so they make the judges and teachers very programs.
Salem district legal advice to the students as well as this one we have translated and women rights.
Gender equality to we see even boys are minority.
Mostly we are but it is for the gender sensitization programs we are using the boys students. They should be aware about this laws and all that. So we are making one form of group for because the health
So
center
one
is
can
also
sleep.
half an hour.
Any allergic reaction, vomiting, the setup will be very helpful.
You do not have any problem that it is attached to the hospital or and this is one educational unit, social unit. It should be also separate.
We'll take into account.
Because you have a lot of infrastructure.
Yes, definitely, sir.
Which is another.
Have you attended any value-added course?
Yes, sir, we are trying, we are preparing.
Actually, they are offering a course which is applied in the entire for the semester itself. They are offering a course. Supporting.
Yeah, supporting course for
Are the other
3
courses
credits.
being
No, this is for 3
Three
credits.
credits.
3 credits.
Three credits.
3 credits.
It includes the regular credits. So next, canteen. Canteen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
be available. Let me ask them.
பிளேட்ல சாப்பாடு வச்சுக்கணும் எப்படி கொடுப்பீங்களோ அது சொல்லுங்க. உள்ள போட்டா
கௌதம்
From Arvind, and we have a stationery and
ಫುಡ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ और NSS unit छोटा सा unit हाँ yes okay
social service.
அங்கேருந்து எல்லாரும் தெரியுறாங்க.
department wise we will go for
and NSS students.
How many emergency units are there?
2 units university department, sir. Affiliate colleges 156 units, totally 158 units.
Here in the university only 2 units.
Only 2 units. All the departments.
How many subjects are there in one unit?
Vice Chancellor also started, sir. So before and after.
Before and after.
So this is for behalf of NSS. Then we are combined with the department, each department. Like that.
Swachh Bharat campus.
Every department.
Every department.
Along with the NSS students. we will- Okay, all departments are participating.
Yes, sir.
Service.
This program is we have conducted in Mega cleaning and plastic pollution awareness held at Erkad. Held at Erkad.
With the district collector.
You are looking after women's wing.
Unit 1, sir. Unit 1.
Unit 1 program officer, Unit 2 program officers. Tilangova,
You belong to which department?
Commerce department, sir.
So I'm energy science. Energy science.
mathematics associate professor.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
All you are.
What our office is.
Office, yes.
Yes,
We
sir.
met.
So
Thank you.
Sir, please.
Like this.
The plastic pollution awareness. It is Constitution Day. So, yes. So, vigilance awareness program. So, we have participated 205 students. Free RT camp, Clean India camp. So, blood donation camp. We have organized 2 times blood donation camp, sir. So, Fit India Run 2.0, street plantations, and the COVID-19 vaccination camp, sir. So, this year we have organized 10 programs, sir. So, remaining the 2019, 18. So, helmet awareness, sir. So, in 2019 we have organized vigilance awareness and tobacco. So, jointly we organized white district Gaja cyclone. So we have distributed some food items and
Things
donated
collected on various places and we have saved them 25 lakhs worth of things to Kerala, sir.
So again clean the camp, pre-RD camp. So one of our student participated in the New Delhi state RD parade New Delhi. So these people are going to state RD, Chennai 2020.
And also we conducted one Clean India campaign.
Wherever writing RD, you should write Republic Day parade.
Yes.
Republic. Okay, sir.
When you minimize the significance of the event becomes okay.
Okay, sir. These are NSS program officers meeting. During the lockdown period, students are distributing.
NSS is for your service for the nation building. Is not it? All we have to control. That is the national work. No work to be small, no work to be big. When in Indian society there is a discrimination. Because we have discriminated the works. That is the most important work. By which the road is clean, the nation is clean. Okay? So remember it and work for the development of a nation. If the students have enough time, talent and opportunities, education and the capacity to understand, you continue with it. Okay? And also you disseminate among the villagers, village people, always look back the past. Understand? When you remember the village, that means remembering the past. Past, this is not the village. All we are coming from village.
They are adapting villages and they conduct special campaigns.
7 days camp.
7 days camp. Then in between you can go there. When all outsiders they have come. For example, we have come from NAC team. All you are active.
Yes.
So if you go to your village and other villages, they will also be active.
True.
Similarly, whole nation would be clean. Okay. Thank you. All best wishes. All best wishes. Clap.
ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
மெயில் அனுப்பிடுவோம் வாட்ஸ்அப் மெயில் அனுப்பிடுவோம் சார்.
என்னப்பா எங்க இல்லையா இல்லையா என்னங்க இது எம்பி காருங்க.
Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, madam. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening to all. It's my pleasure and great privilege. Now I
சுழன்றும் ஏற்பினது உலகம் அதனால் உழந்தும் உலவேத்தலை. Good evening everyone on the dais and off the dais. I welcome our PT members from various institutes. Our chairman Dr. Rajarami Reddy, from Vice Chancellor Vikram Sibrao Puri Chittoor, Sibrapuri University Chittoor, and Dr. Krish Sharma from Humayun University, and Dr. Kavita Singh from Banaras Hindu University, Dr. Sanjay Tiwari from Pandit Jaisankar Shukla University, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University. Then Dr. Pasant Kumar Malik from Bhubaneswar, and Dr. Rugi Chan Khan from Cluster University, and Dr. Naresh Dattan Mathur. So I welcome all the PT members from various institutes, and I hope every one of you might have felt how they gone step by step inquiring you, and I am also thankful for the faculties who have shown interest in showing them whatever the contributions you made to the PT. So once again I welcome the entire team, our faculty friends, for this exit meeting of PT from NAC. Thank you.
Now I invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor to honor our NAC patron.
Chairman Rajarami Reddy to share to the faculties how our performance is, and is visit to our Periyar University.
University, administrative officials, supporting staff, faculty, and if there are any students of this university, good evening to all of you. Especially, I would like to thank my fellow PT members and then acknowledge the hard work that they have extended to me in finalizing this Herculean task for this last 3 days. You have been watching us. You probably slept for 2 hours, but we did not. And then it was a tough time for us, covering so many things here. It's a huge campus with several strong departments, arts and science, doing a lot of research and doing so many other activities. And our responsibility is to cover as many as possible to come to a conclusion on the observations and assessment of this university. I feel that we did the job that we are interested for, and this is with the help of the PT members. They have been so jovial. I love them. I thank their hard work, and I look forward to have them again and again in my future visits. Such a nice thing. And we also like it. Exit meeting, you also look for, because you have been working so hard for the last months and months, and you are waiting for this opportunity to say goodbye. And same is the case with our members also, they are ready to leave. Looking forward to the exit. One or two major observations. It's a new university, new in the sense, ready for 25-year celebration. And all the faculty members who are fairly young, and you have decades of service in future here, and this is your university. Vice chancellors will be here for 3-4 years and then they leave. And then it's you who will be here for 20-30 years. It's like your home. You need to build this. You need to live here comfortably. You need to show a path for your juniors and for your children also. They should come here for future education, higher education. When we interacted with the parents and the alumni, they were very happy to be associated with this university. That's a good thing. They love this university. and you need to keep it up. And there are several opportunities for you. The major merit in the research scholars is there are several INSPIRE fellows. That's the national level selection for the best students. And I am told that the INSPIRE program was also organized here by the Department of Faculty, if I am right, and keep that going to attract the best intermediate students to the science subjects here. That's one program that you need to continue in future years also, and then pick up the best who are interested in research, and the university is giving research fellowships which very few universities in the country are giving. University level research fellowships, especially postdoctoral also. That's a unique observation I noticed here. As the postdoctoral fellowships are not given by any universities. They have to find their own way, and Kothari fellowship holders are there, and that is given a very competitive fellowship. And I congratulate all the best research students who have been publishing the best papers in high impact fact journals. And your effort will not go waste. And you have applied for a FIRST program, and if you are lucky, you will get it. That will be a major support for your research. Excellent central instrumentation facility with high quality equipment, and you need to keep use of it. Vice chancellors are used to give lengthy speeches, but this is not the occasion for me to take most of your time. You are all tried, and I wish you all good luck. Keep interdisciplinary research as much as possible. Join together and think of innovative programs, research projects, and that's the best way to move ahead. Encourage several research scholars to leave this country for opportunities outside, and at the same time attract students from outside other countries also. That's one thing you need. You are sending students to other countries, but at the same time try to get students from other countries to this campus also. That's one thing that you need to work hard and keep that fulfilled. And I wish you all good luck, and I wish you best future for this university. Thank you all. For 3-day stay here, and this document we are handing over to your Vice Chancellor.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, respected Chairperson, Chairman of NACPIA team, Professor Raja Reddy, Gochipulu Garu, and distinguished peer team members, Professor Girish Sharma, Sanjay Tiwari, Bathak Malik, Ruhi Jan Khan, Naresh Dutt Mathur, Kavita Shah, dignitaries off and off on the stage, deans, HODs, and my dear colleagues. On behalf of faculty, staff, and students, IQAC members, and on my own behalf, I would like to record my sincere thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. R. Jagannathan, for his leadership role in setting the goal and completing the task in an able manner. Our Vice Chancellor is a visionary who always put our university in forefront, guiding us since day one he has joined and tirelessly worked to complete this task for the Periyar University. For the first time in history, mankind, we are distancing ourselves, afraid of each other, but during the COVID time also, most of you have cooperated. All our university administration supported the activity. I would like to thank one and all who is in the campus, and also the resource persons, and also the members who has guided us for this wonderful task. Periyar, this is anniversary day. I think soul will be watching from the top, and Arival Vilayam Bulagu, the maximum which we have, Ulluvadallam Virvallal. The holistic development of students is the primary objective of the university. Hope that we lived up to the expectation of the society, peer team members, and your appreciation. We thank you all for your observation. To my knowledge, NAC process is one of the mission where the whole institution and its wheels holistically move towards the progressive path to achieve this goal. Hopefully that we'll be having a sweet new year with your input. Hoping for the best. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all.